Hello, my name is Isabella, and welcome to the UBC Engineering Open House. Just like engineering is a constellation of several crucial enterprises, applied science itself is a team of world-class professional fields at the forefront of transformation for a better tomorrow. That's why we're introducing something special for you today. The Faculty of Applied Sciences School of Community and Regional Planning partners with the Faculty of Arts Department of Geography to offer you a major degree in urban studies, a field so important it's now a part of British Columbia's K-12 education, and whose experts are seen as having the skills to tackle some of today's most complex challenges, making them needed and searched for by professional industries. Planners are agents of positive change, leveraging specialized expertise to solve the world's biggest challenges. Geographers study the natural and social processes that create and shape our urban environment. Together, we offer a major that provides what few other programs can. We prepare you to guide the forces that shape our cities, working towards a just and sustainable urban world through essential professional skills and community collaboration. If you're hearing this, you're unique in world history. You're the first generation to live in an urban world. For the first time ever, more than half of humanity lives in urban areas. Over the next century, all of the world's net population gain will be urban. Every aspect of our lives is urbanizing, and the challenges and opportunities of tomorrow will happen in urban regions. Vancouver especially, a world leader in green building, renewable energy efficiency, and sustainability, needs experts to rise to the challenges of climate change, housing affordability, social equity crises, and city and population expansion. Now, more than ever, the world needs trained city makers, and industries know it. Urban studies impacts how people in cities live, and whether cities are accessible to everyone. It's a hugely influential field, spanning multiple academic disciplines: geography, planning, architecture and design, environmental sciences and humanities, anthropology, sociology, political science, and more. Urban studies unites them to understand and tackle the big questions together. So what's it like to be a student of UBC Urban Studies? The major in Urban Studies, a Bachelor of Arts at UBC, is the first of its kind in British Columbia and fills a void that will single you out after graduation. As co-director James Connolly puts it, simply aggregating what we know doesn't get us to how do we get to new innovations? How do we systematize today's biggest challenges and learn what transformation can truly look like? Our program combines theory and community-engaged immersive training, uniquely providing you with the breadth and depth of knowledge, as well as the practical, technical skills necessary for careers in urban-oriented professions, roles as thought leaders, analysts, or advocates, or a path to advanced degrees in urban studies. This innovation puts UBC Urban Studies at the forefront of education in the field. But what will you actually do? The Urban Studies degree is designed with the innovative Community of Peers model, where you partner with your fellow students in coalitions of learning. You'll gain professional experience through community-engaged projects using Vancouver as a living laboratory. These are not simulations. You'll be solving problems in the real world, co-investigating a problem posed by Metro Vancouver organizations. You'll simultaneously learn skills, build your professional identity, and forge your first professional network in the industry. We've already set up this year's capstones in partnership with the City of Vancouver and City Hive. Each year brings further opportunities to network within and partner professionally with civic institutions. Urban Studies is the transdisciplinary choice. You'll take wisdom and skills from several fields and learn how they fit together to build and protect cities. You'll be trained in your preferred tool of city making, technical data analysis, development finance strategies, dialogue and engagement, and political and policy-oriented communication. You'll learn each core understanding of urban studies to shape your future expertise. Indigenous Urban Life examines Indigenous urban geographies and placemaking. The Nature of Cities examines ecological dimensions of urbanization. Globalizing Cities examines the planetary shifts in economy and society shaping urbanization. Technology in Cities examines how new data and technology changes what it means to inhabit and plan cities. Cities and Communities examine community and social justice in the urban world. With these tools, you'll have a professional identity as an expert who can critically integrate urban interventions with society's most complex challenges. But beyond what you'll learn in courses, you will also have a unique student experience with the major in urban studies. At Urban Studies, you'll be part of 2 UBC units with everything each offers. Each has events, student communities, professional networks, experts, news, and resources. Benefit from both professional planners and geographers inside and outside of the classroom. You also may become eligible for prizes, bursaries, and scholarships from both. Given the complexity and magnitude of today's challenges, the broad knowledge base provided by Urban Studies is recognized as a needed expertise in every city. Our program is in touch with dozens of industry partners who are excited for the background and skills you will provide for them after you graduate. In fact, the major in Urban Studies was built in consultation with industry professionals made up of everything city halls, government ministries, transport authorities, and more need from professionals in the coming years. With a degree forged after industry needs, you're on track to become a competitive professional with a unique breadth of tangible skills and excellence in your chosen area. Because you don't want to leave UBC with only a completely general knowledge base, you want to be able to tell an employer, this is what I'm deeply proficient in, and have the expertise be the answer to the biggest problems. That's why graduates in Urban Studies will find professional roles in urban and regional planning, politics, government, policy, research, consulting, real estate, infrastructure and development, environmental design, social development, cultural development, economic development, city administration, community organization and engagement, youth development, social justice, environmental advocacy, and more and more. Many of these are newer sectors, industries on the rise, with growing positions and salaries that need entry-level knowledge to answer questions only now being conceived and prioritized. You will be connected with them, starting way before graduation. In the near future, cities and their industries will be well supported by UBC's Urban Studies graduates. But now is an opportunity that will never happen again. The program is now teaching its first few cohorts, so professionals know they need you, but haven't got to start hiring you. You'll be a pioneer entering an industry that's more than glad to have you. But be sure to get your application in. We've reached full cohorts each year. So take a look now at scarp.ubc.ca/urban.